team Fullest. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Cake Open Canal. So I changed the set of the living room, so I put the TV towards the garden, the window that faced the garden. But actually I never hung anything on the door to protect the sun. So now that the TV is on that side, I always get complaint from the kids like the sun is too bright. They cannot see the TV when they're watching TV during the day. The sun is too bright. So I promised to fix something on that window so that at least will block the sun a little bit. So I have been looking for something that match the same one that I have on the bigger window. But because I bought this the one on the bigger window for a long time ago, over 8 years now or something like that, they don't have the same at the in the store anymore, so I have to look for a different one. So I went to the store a couple of days ago and I found this one. We called it roll khodine. I don't know that, I can't remember the English word, but we call it like roll khodine. And so I got a different one, but I was like, it's okay. It's just for this to protect the sun. The window curtain is always gonna be in front. So I went and purchased this. I've been having it now for a week, but I wasn't feeling so good, so I just leave it there to stand. So and now we're getting into the summer. It's much brighter. The sun is shining. It's more brighter during the day, and because of that, if you're watching TV, you cannot get the full screen of the full light on the TV because of the light outside penetrates a lot, and the TV is standing closer to the window. So today I decided to fix this. So I went and purchased this roll gordijn from the Praxis. It was a little bit affordable. It was not super expensive like the other ones. It's just I just got something so I could fix there, and so I'm trying to measure the length. I'm not really how they call it. I don't really study on how to do klusjes. That's how we call it, klusjes in Holland. But I'm pretty good on hanging stuff like this. As long as it has instructions, I'm pretty good at following the instructions. When you see how it hangs, so I'm very good at stuff like this. So and now I'm trying to measure the size because this one I couldn't get the one that fits precisely, so I have to hang this one a little bit above the other one so that it can roll down nicer, because if I put it at the same line, it will not be nice because then I have to cut it a little bit. So I wasn't in the mood of the process of cutting. So I'm trying to measure it and see how I fix it. And I forgot, I didn't remember where I put my measuring tape, because that would have been more easier. But because I didn't want to go and look for the measuring tape because I don't remember where I put it. Maybe it's in the store or in the basement. But I was too tired to go and look for it, so I decided to just do it like this. just just do it like this. Try to put the thing and then take a pen, make a mark in the hole, and then go ahead with the screwdriver and the nails, try to fix the thing. So that is what I was doing because I was just too lazy to look for the measuring tape. Yeah, that's me. It's not the most sensible thing to do, but you know what? It is what it is. So I'm just trying to fix that and get everything ready. But at the end, I end up doing it. It was nice. The kids love it. It was a little bit struggles because with the measuring tape it's more easier. And I have this electric screwdriver, electric not like a Bowie machine, but the screwdriver, the electric one. But I borrow a friend, so and I just spontan. I just like wake up and I'm like, let me fix this
Trying
one.
to fix this one. I've already fixed it. I still have to paint there because there was this time that the weather was there was so many rain and the storm, and so there was a little bit like water, so I have to paint there. That's the only plan. I'm trying to fix this one because sometimes when the kids are watching TV, the sunlight, and now with this one, it's much better. So I'm trying to fix this one, but then I accidentally break this one for this one. So this one now has broken down and now it's like this. So I have to go to the store to see if they do sell this one separately. If not, that I'm in trouble. And I'm trying to see in the future to put this TV on the wall, so the TV is going to be a little bit higher, but not now. I want to do that when I'm ready to change this TV, because this TV is like 10 years old. I'm not. I change everything in the house, but I don't really change TV because TV is not something that I watch all the time. I don't really watch TV only when I have movie nights with the kids, or I'm trying to watch some series that is on Netflix or Disney Plus. Because my wife opened a Disney Plus account, the password and the email address. So I opened Disney Plus account on the TV for the kids. The because my wife have a subscription, so I was like, yeah, she have one. There's no need for me to go and open a separate account and paying why she have one. So all of us, just the whole family, we all just use one account, and everybody have their own name. So that's on the TV, and the kids watch Disney Plus on TV and also Netflix on TV, which my wife opened Netflix and Disney Plus, so I don't need to open. That's family. That's family. That's the benefit of family. So I don't need to open another subscription account when it comes to Netflix or Disney Plus. And so because of that, I don't really watch TV. So those are the only times that I watch TV, when I want to have like quality time with the kids. But I'm planning. It's in my list, but it's not in a hurry because, like I said, TV is not something that I watch. So I'm trying to like change the TV, because the kid has broken the remote. Excuse the dust, because the remote was behind the remote. They have broken it, so now you can only go right, but you cannot go left, because they lost this thing. So yeah, so I'm thinking of changing the TV, but then when I change the TV, I want to have the TV on the wall. I want to have like a bigger TV, but then I want to have it in the wall, right underneath this thing, right underneath this one, this right underneath here, like big TV on the wall. But for now, it is what it is. So I'm going to the store right now. Let me go and check if I can find this one, because now it's like this. Yeah. And I'm really planning of leaving the couch the way it is here, even though it's kind of messy right now. I love this space. I love this corner. The couch was there before, but I changed it, so I bring it here. And I also bought a couch there, but like a dining couch there. I want to put like where the plant is. So I want to get rid of those two chairs and put a dining couch there. So when that one come, I will make it. I'm also looking for a bigger dining table, but I'm also not in a hurry of that. I just do things little by little. But yeah. So now I'm trying to fix something and I mess things up. So let's go to the store. Hopefully I can buy this one separately. Let's go and look for that. Got my tea. I got me ginger. I have ginger. I have clove seed and another herbs. I don't know the name, but yeah, that's what I'm drinking right now. So I'm going to the store and hopefully I'll find it. So yeah, I'll be back and show you guys the finished results when I fix everything. Oh, Ami. Guys, I have fixed it. So just that the one that I got from the praxis is white, but the most important thing, it could fit. I have to find time to paint this, but right now I'm not really in the mood of painting. It's not everywhere, it's just a little part of the house. I have to paint it. So because this two cannot get, but this one I bought it like 7-8 years ago when I moved to this place, and so I couldn't get the same color, so I just get this one. It's just white, simple, less expensive than this one. They did have darker brown, but I didn't want the dark brown. I just want something to cover this side for when you're watching TV.
As you guys can see, it's much more better. Let me remove this. Oh, there's it didn't sit fast. Is it? Oh, okay. I need to put my phone down. Team Flex, thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you all. And I'll see you all on my next video. The next video is we're going to be doing general cleaning. So stay tuned for that. Peace out. Bye.